Just a regular Friday night on top of a waterfall, 3 o'clock in the morning. Pistyll rhaeadr in Snowdonia with my mate Phil Hardcastle. Cooking up some minted lamb chops on a Himalayan salt rock. We're right on top of a big waterfall down there. Let's see if we can go down a bit. Can't really see much, but there's a big edge of a big waterfall there. Just doing a wild camp up here. Loads of food. What more could you want? We're going to get a lovely view in the morning. It's tucked up under a little rock over here. I'm going to put the tent up over here, look. Put the tent there. And look, I don't know if you can see, but you straighten the focus out and that's all. Big waterfall down there, look. Wow. Put the tent up over here, Phil, right on the edge, so we get the view in the morning, yeah? What's the matter? You're done, yeah? Flip them one more time. With it, and they should be good. Yeah, they're done. One more time, I think. Lovely.